channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 7 is motivation. Now motivation, the definition for motivation is simple. The desire or willingness to do something. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 7 is going to be the following. 1, star jumps. 2, Y squats. 3, crunches. And 4, fire hydrants. So make sure you guys stay tuned and we'll get to that workout in just a moment. Alright, so as I mentioned, the 4 exercises that we'll be doing for Fast 5 number 7 is going to be 1, star jumps. Now star jumps, you're going to start with your feet together. You're going to jump up in the air while your hands go up. Your legs are also going to split open like this, like a star. Okay? So it looks like this. You're going to put your feet out and in as quickly as possible. It's star jumps. Y squats. Put your hands up in the air. If you guys are old like me, you remember something called YMCA. So we're going to go Y. Okay? We're going to have our feet shoulder width apart and we're going to squat down, holding that Y position with our hands. Y squats. Okay? Next one we got crunches. We're going to go down on our backs and we're going to do crunches. So what you're going to do is put your hands on your legs right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to lift up your head and your torso and you're going to put your hands, slide them over your kneecaps and then go back down. Make sure you go up and down. All the way up and down. Those are our crunches. Last one we got fire hydrants. I apologize. Go ahead and stay down as if we're doing a plank position. And what you're going to do is you're going to lift up one of your legs. I'm going to start with my right leg. And I'm going to go up and out and in. We're going to do that 5 times. So make sure you guys stay balanced. We're going to go up. We're going to do that 5 times on the right. And then same thing out on your left side 5 times. And you can go back and forth for 30 seconds. All right, so stay tuned and we'll get to that Fast 5 workout number 7 in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go, star jumps. Make sure you get your feet out and back in. All right, get to those Y squats, go down. Keep your hands up. Remember, want to remember the song? YMCA. Get your hands up. Drop your bottoms. Nice job. Breathe in. Out. Keep going. You're doing great. Don't quit on me. All right. Nice job. All right, get down on your bottoms. Let's go, crunches. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, slide your hands over your kneecaps. Alright, let's go fire hydrants. Alright, get to that push-up plank position and extend your leg out. Nice and slow, don't rush it. Alright, 5 and switch. Focus on your breathing. And time. All right, 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. Good time to get some water. Catch your breath. So I really hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 series. Again, this is Fast 5 number 7. So if you guys have not checked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, make sure you do that. Try doing 1 a day. My goal is to have weeks of these Fast 5 series. Okay, 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left, my friends. Shake it off, shake it off. We got round 2 coming up. Now I want you guys to try to work harder than you did the first round. Now that you know the movements, we're gonna repeat them back again, 30 seconds each. Now that you know the movements, try and do more than you did the first round. 10 seconds left. All right, here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Star jumps, go. Last round, everything you got. Got it. Keep going. Let's get those Y squats ready to go. Squat. Remember YMCA. Watch, you're gonna have it stuck in your head now. If you haven't heard the song, ask your parents. I'm sure they have. Remember, you're not leaning over, you're not hunching your back. You're dropping your bottom as low to the ground as possible. Think of it as a field goal. Referee, it's good. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll drop the link down below. It's a good one. All right, get down, crunches. We go 3, 2, 1, go. Slide those fingers up, let's go. Do more than you did the first round. Make sure your head touches the floor. The mat, whatever you have available, just do your best. Motivate yourself, like our word of the week. Motivate yourself to do one more. Not to quit. All right, let's go. Fire hydrants, let's go. Remember, 5 on your right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Garcia's sweating already. Come on, you got it. Let's go, don't quit. All right, time. Nice job, you guys did it. So proud of you. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 7. Please make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share it with your friends, share it with your family members, get the whole neighborhood involved in these workouts. You guys will have a blast, I promise you that. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a fun game for you. It's called Batters Up. The only objects you're going to need is a bucket, a couple of ping pong balls if you have it available. If not, you can use soccer balls, and either a book, a whiteboard, or I'm going to use a clipboard. Any of those objects will work for this activity. So stay tuned and I'll show you the activity in just a moment. Alright, so for this game, you're only going to need a few household items. If you have a book or a clipboard, a ping pong ball, it could be a soccer ball, and your target could be a basket or it could be a bucket just like I have. Your job is to knock the ball or the object inside of your target, and you're going to have 1 minute to do as many shots as you can and make it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start the 1 minute challenge in just a moment. I'm going to do 5 feet away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 feet away and turn around again. Your job is to get the balls or the sock balls or any object inside the bucket as many times as you can in 1 minute. We'll go ahead and start it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Too hard. So far I got 1. Back. 2, just missed. 3, Time's up. I was able to get 4 of the balls inside of the bucket. Hope you guys enjoyed this game. Batters up. Look forward to seeing you guys' comments. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.